Imagine waking up to a quiet morning, only to hear the earth itself begin to roar beneath your feet. At first, it's just a faint vibration. Then the floor starts moving. Walls crack. Windows explode. Streets split open as if an invisible monster is rising from below. In less than 20 terrifying seconds, an entire Japanese city is thrown into chaos by a magnitude 6.8 earthquake. But here's the chilling part. Scientists had been watching this fault for years. They knew it was dangerous. Yet no one knew this would be the day it struck. Tonight, we're uncovering the terrifying story of the fault that seemed to come back for revenge and what it teaches us about the hidden forces still waiting beneath Japan. Japan is often called the earthquake capital of the world, and for good reason. Every year, thousands of earthquakes shake the country. Most are so small that people barely notice them. Others are strong enough to remind everyone that beneath Japan lies one of the most unstable pieces of Earth's crust. For massive tectonic plates collide beneath this island nation. The Pacific Plate relentlessly dives beneath the Okhotsk Plate. The Philippine Sea Plate presses against the Eurasian Plate. Each movement stores unimaginable energy inside the rock's deep underground. For decades, that energy builds silently. Then, without warning, it is released. The magnitude 6.8 earthquake began several kilometers beneath the surface. No explosion. No warning sirens. Just an instant rupture along a fault that had been locked under immense pressure. The fault suddenly slipped. Within seconds, billions of tons of rock shifted. That movement generated powerful seismic waves racing outward at thousands of kilometers per hour. The ground above had no choice but to move with them. Buildings swayed violently. Roads rippled like ocean waves. Power poles bent under intense shaking. For thousands of residents, it felt as though solid ground had transformed into liquid. Some described hearing a deep booming sound before they even realized what was happening. Others recalled seeing furniture slide across rooms while lights swung wildly overhead. Even modern earthquake-resistant buildings experienced frightening motion. Japan has some of the strictest construction standards in the world. Engineers design skyscrapers to flex rather than collapse. Shock absorbers, dampers, and advanced structural systems help many buildings survive violent shaking. Yet no engineering can completely eliminate fear. When the earth beneath your feet begins moving unpredictably, instinct takes over. People rushed under sturdy tables. Elevators stopped automatically. High-speed trains activated emergency braking systems within seconds. Factories shut down. Hospitals switched to emergency power. Throughout Japan, one of the world's most advanced earthquake warning systems sprang into action. Sensitive seismic sensors detected the first fast-moving P waves. These waves travel faster than the destructive S waves that cause the strongest shaking. That tiny difference, sometimes only a few seconds, can save countless lives. Television broadcasts were interrupted. Mobile phones sounded emergency alarms. Public transportation halted. For many people, those precious seconds became the difference between safety and disaster. But the earthquake was only the beginning. As the main shock ended, aftershocks immediately followed. One. Then another. Then dozens more. Each tremor reminded residents that the crust beneath them was still adjusting. Aftershocks can continue for days, weeks, or even months after a major earthquake. Some are powerful enough to cause additional damage to already weakened structures. Emergency crews had to inspect bridges, tunnels, hospitals, schools, and highways before declaring them safe. In many neighborhoods, people chose to remain outside despite cold weather. Sleeping indoors suddenly felt far more dangerous than spending the night in open spaces. Parents comforted frightened children. Neighbors checked on elderly residents. Volunteers distributed food, blankets, and drinking water. Japan's culture of disaster preparedness became one of its greatest strengths. From childhood, students participate in earthquake drills. Offices practice emergency evacuations. Families often keep disaster kits ready at home. Many people know exactly where to go when strong shaking begins. That preparation dramatically reduces casualties during major earthquakes. Still, even the best preparation cannot erase uncertainty. Every aftershock raises a difficult question. Is this finally over? Or is something bigger coming? Scientists immediately began analyzing data from hundreds of seismic stations across the country. Their goal was simple: determine exactly which fault had ruptured, calculate how much it moved, estimate the likelihood of additional activity. Modern seismology has become remarkably sophisticated. Researchers can map underground fault movements with extraordinary precision using GPS satellites, seismic sensors, and computer simulations. They can determine how stress has changed throughout surrounding faults. Sometimes, one earthquake increases pressure on neighboring faults, potentially making future earthquakes more likely. This domino effect remains one of the greatest concerns after any significant seismic event. Japan's complex tectonic setting makes these calculations incredibly important. The nation sits along the Pacific Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped zone responsible for roughly 90% of the world's earthquakes. Volcanoes, deep ocean trenches, gigantic subduction zones. Everything here is connected by the constant motion of Earth's tectonic plates. The same geological processes that created Japan's breathtaking mountains and beautiful landscapes also produce some of history's most devastating earthquakes. The 2011 Tohoku earthquake remains one of the strongest ever recorded. Its magnitude 9.0 rupture unleashed a catastrophic tsunami that forever changed Japan's disaster planning. Since then, scientists have improved warning systems, strengthened infrastructure, and expanded monitoring networks. Each new earthquake provides valuable information. Every seismic event becomes another piece of an enormous geological puzzle. The magnitude 6.8 earthquake added yet another chapter. It reminded researchers that faults once considered relatively quiet can suddenly become active. It reinforced the importance of continuous monitoring. And it highlighted how much remains unknown about Earth's interior. Despite decades of research, no scientist can accurately predict the exact day, hour, or minute an earthquake will occur. We understand where earthquakes are likely. We understand why they happen. But knowing precisely when a fault will break remains beyond modern science. That uncertainty is both humbling and frightening. Imagine billions of tons of rock locked together beneath your city. Every year they move just a few centimeters. Almost nothing. Until one day, they move several meters in only seconds. The energy released rivals multiple nuclear explosions. Not because of fire. Not because of heat. But because of pure mechanical force stored over decades or centuries. It's one of nature's most astonishing displays of power. Fortunately, this earthquake demonstrated something equally powerful: human resilience. Emergency responders worked tirelessly. Engineers inspected damaged infrastructure. Medical teams treated the injured. Volunteers supported displaced families. Communities came together with remarkable speed. In disaster after disaster, Japan has shown the world that preparation, education, and resilience save lives. No nation can prevent earthquakes. But nations can prepare for them. As scientists continue studying this event, every new dataset improves future hazard assessments. Every damaged building teaches engineers valuable lessons. Every emergency response reveals opportunities for improvement. Knowledge grows from every earthquake. The Earth never truly rests. Far beneath Japan, tectonic plates continue moving even as you watch this video. The next earthquake is already being prepared by geological forces invisible to us. It may happen tomorrow. It may happen decades from now. No one knows. But one thing is certain: the planet beneath our feet is alive. And every earthquake reminds us that humanity exists on the thin, fragile surface of an ever-changing world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of nature's most powerful forces, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Because here, we explore the incredible geology, hidden mysteries, and unstoppable forces that continue shaping our planet every single day.